Quadratic equation. Example, find the roots of the equation x square plus 1 is equal to 3x. Answer, make it in the form of quadratic equation. X square plus 3x, take left side becomes minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now compare with the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a value is 1 and b is minus 3 and c is plus 1. Now we have the formula x equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a is the formula. Now x equal to minus b value is minus 3 plus or minus under root of b square, b is minus 3 square minus 4a, a is 1 here, and c value is also 1 divided by 2 into a is 1 equal to minus plus 3 plus or minus under root of 3 minus 3 square is plus 9, 3 3s are 9, 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4 divided by 2 1s are 2. Now 3 plus or minus 9 minus 4 is 5 divided by 2. Therefore x roots are 3 plus under root of 5 by 2 1 root and 3 minus under root of 5 by 2 is another roots.